Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased reviews to help you make informed decisions on the latest products. Today, we're talking about the Waring Commercial BB320S Blade 1 HP Blender. If you're in the market for a powerful, commercial-grade blender that promises both durability and efficiency, this might be the one for you. Let's break down what this blender has to offer, how it performs, and whether it truly stands out in a crowded market. The Waring Commercial BB320S Blade Blender is designed for heavy-duty use, boasting a 1 HP commercial motor. This power allows it to tackle even the toughest blending tasks, from smoothies to sauces. With 2 speeds and a pulse function, it offers flexibility, whether you need a smooth blend or a quick burst of power. The blender features easy-to-clean electronic touchpad controls with a 99-second countdown timer, ensuring precise control over your blending process every time. And with a 48/0 stainless steel jar and industrial steel blade, it's built to last. The stainless steel construction is not only durable, but also adds a sleek, professional touch. Plus, it's NSF certified, ensuring that it meets strict public health and safety standards. If you've been looking for a commercial blender made to withstand constant use, this one certainly promises to deliver on that front. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. Setting up the Waring Commercial BB320S was incredibly straightforward. No complicated assembly, just plug it in and you're ready to go. The touchpad controls are intuitive, with large buttons that make it easy to adjust the speed or activate the pulse function. The 48/0 stainless steel jar fits comfortably on the base, and I was impressed by the smooth operation. When it came to testing, I used it for a variety of tasks, including crushing ice, making smoothies, and blending a few batches of soup. The motor handled everything with ease. Crushing ice was no problem at all, thanks to the powerful industrial steel blade, and the smoothie came out silky smooth with minimal effort. The pulse function was particularly useful when I needed to break down tougher ingredients, like fibrous greens, with precision. While this blender excels in performance, it does come with a few caveats. First, while the 1 HP motor is great for most tasks, it's not quite the powerhouse needed for some high-volume commercial kitchens that demand continuous, heavy-duty blending. Additionally, although the 48/0 jar is a good size for most uses, it might feel a bit small if you're preparing large batches for bigger crowds. As for the design, while functional, it's not the most compact blender out there. The stainless steel jar looks sleek, but it can be a bit heavy to handle, especially when full. So if you're looking for something lighter or more portable, this might not be the best choice. When it comes to value for money, this blender stands in the mid-range for commercial-grade appliances. The build quality and motor are solid, but at this price point, you could also consider alternatives that offer similar power with slightly different features. The key advantage of the Waring BB320S is its robust design, which should stand up well to long-term use, especially in environments where reliability is critical. For smaller businesses or home users who want something that can handle occasional heavy use, it's a great option. But for high-volume, everyday commercial kitchens, you might want to consider blenders with more advanced capabilities. Comparing this to similar models, let's take a look at the Blende or Vitamix commercial models. While both brands tend to cost more, they offer slightly higher horsepower and additional features, such as pre-programmed settings or noise reduction technology. If you don't need these extra features and are looking for a durable, simple, yet powerful blender, the Waring BB320S holds its own. Its more basic functionality is a trade-off for the price, making it an excellent option for businesses or households that need reliability without the premium price tag. The build quality of the Waring Commercial BB320S is one of its strongest points. The stainless steel jar and industrial steel blade are designed to handle heavy-duty blending for years. The motor, though powerful, operates with a level of noise that's typical for commercial blenders, but not overwhelming. The design feels sturdy and durable, and the overall construction gives off a sense of reliability that you'd expect from a professional-grade blender. There's no indication of any immediate wear and tear issues, But considering that it's made in the USA with a mix of US and foreign parts, you can be confident in its quality. If you've had experience with Waring's customer support, you'll likely find them responsive and helpful, though. As with many commercial appliances, issues are generally rare. I didn't need to interact with them directly during my review period, but Waring has a solid reputation for providing prompt service should the need arise. So, to wrap things up, the Waring Commercial BB320S Blade Blender delivers where it counts: power, ease of use, and durability. It's an excellent option for anyone who needs a reliable blender for heavy-duty tasks like smoothies, soups, or even crushing ice. While it may not be the best for high-volume, non-stop use, it performs admirably in environments where consistent, strong blending is needed. It offers good value for money, especially when compared to pricier competitors. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, or if you have any questions or thoughts on the Waring Commercial BB320S, feel free to leave a comment below. If you've already tried it out, share your experience. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay blending. And remember, Reviews Inside TV is always here to bring you the latest in product insights.